welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video, you guys probably see from the title, I will be showing you how I customize my iPhone iOS 14. I know it is very popular right now. Apple just released the new iOS and I cannot wait to share this feature with you guys. I know it's a little bit confusing at the beginning, but I promise guys, it's very easy to do it and you have your own custom, and that is pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this helpful, and without being said, just let's get right into it. So here is how my home screen look like. It's just very clean and very organized. I really like it, and I will show you guys how I do this. First of all, there are two applications that are very needed. It's called Color Widgets and the Widgetsmith. These two applications are game changer in this period. It just make everything nicer and more organized. So we are going to Color Widgets first, which as you can see, there are so many templates, there are so many styles. Once you get on it, you can set the widgets. It's gonna be on this style, or you can edit the widgets. And I will press the edit widgets, and then you go to breakout. If you like light color, you can go ahead for that. If you want dark, I personally like the light color because it's matching with my wallpaper. So yeah, and there are so many different color of theme. You can choose the yellow, cream, greens, but I also will go for black ones. For the fonts, there are so many different fonts. I would just go for the handwriting. I think handwriting with the formal letter is just very good combination. So I would just put handwriting on that. And you also can add the photo on it. But I think it is already nice. So I will put set widgets. Once you've done your design, you can go to your home screens and hold down the bottom and go for the plus signs. And then you're gonna scroll down to color widgets, which you already custom. You're gonna press add widgets. Here we go, you already get the cute little template of the date and time, which is very nice. As you guys can see, the templates are the same right now because I already done my customs. So I will just click remove on it, and as you guys see, there are the calendar in the bottom of the time and date, and I will show you guys how I customize that one as well. So you will get to the Widgetsmith. Once you get in, you will see there are three different sizes. There are small widgets, medium widgets, and the large widgets. For the calendar, I will go for the medium widgets. I think it is very nice size. It's not take too much space, and yeah, I would just put add medium widgets. And as you guys can see, the medium number 3 is pop up. This one haven't changed anything yet, so I'm going to create this. And as you guys can see, once you come in, you can see so many different styles. And also you can custom your photo, your custom text, your brand, or upcoming events. I really like this style. And also there is a weather, which is very cool, but you have to pay for this, but I don't want to pay for it, so I will just skip for that. I will go for the crop one and the calendar on the sides. I think that is pretty cool to show you guys. And you can choose your locations. I am in Portland, Oregon, so it's already set. And crop style, you can choose just like the plain style. I think plain style is pretty nice. I'm gonna go for that. And there are so many fonts. I'm going to go with the New York font. It is pretty cool. And also the tint color, I don't know, I kind of like the plain things. I would just go for gray one. It's just very basic. For the background, there are so many different kind of background color, which is pretty cool. I'm going to go with the simplest thing because it's already matching with my wallpaper and I don't want to ruin it. So I would just put the 90%. This one is all set right now, and you can just go back. Then you're gonna press save for it. Now you already have your templates, and then you're gonna go to your home screens and hold down the bottom, press the plus sign, and then go down the way to Widgetsmith. And then you're gonna go for medium widgets because you already custom for the medium size. So you're gonna press add widgets on it. And as you guys can see right now, medium templates already up on your screens. You're gonna hold that button and click edit widgets. And you're gonna choose your own style that you just edited the medium number 3. As you guys can see, it's now pop up already and it's pretty cool. And yeah, this is just the idea how you put the calendar on it. I think now you already have an idea what is going on right now. I think I'm going to stop customize for my first page because I think it already looks minimal and very clean. And I really like that. Moving on to the second page, as you can see, I added the pictures, the photo. You guys probably wonder how I do this, and I will show you guys. It's very easy. You just go to Widgets again, and then as you can see, there is the small widgets, which I already put the pictures I want. If you don't have a picture, I would recommend you to go to Pinterest. There are so many different kind of style. I saved those pictures from Pinterest. It's just very cool and very simple. As you guys can see, I just searched for minimal wallpaper and it showed up like this. It is just very nice, plain looking, and I really like it. I would just save what I really like it. We go back to Widgets again, and you're gonna add small widgets, and now you will go for the photo custom, and then you will press select photo, and then you're gonna choose photo. As you can see now, my photo is all green right now because I just want to matching with the wallpaper and everything. So I would just go for this one. I think this is very cute. And then go back to small number 6 again and then save it. And also I can add it anytime. Just go back to the home screen and then hold down the bottom and press on the plus sign. I'll scroll down all the way and go for the Widgets and then press small and add widgets. As you guys can see, it's just nothing right now, and I will press edit widgets and I will choose the small number 6. And yeah, in this second page, I will just add the photo, whatever you like. I think that is depends on your preference. And yeah, oh, here we go. It's already pop up, and I think that is pretty cool. I really like it. As you guys can see, it is pretty nice and very go in the same way right now. And now we are moving to the most interesting part. We are going to custom our own icons. We can add a photo for the icons, and I think that is pretty cool. First thing you have to do is go to shortcuts and press this plus signs, and then you're gonna add action, and then you have to type opens app, which is already shown, so I would just go for it, and then you will be able to choose the applications that you want to custom. Probably gonna go for the YouTube Studio because I think YouTube Studio is one of my favorite applications that I usually go for. And then I hit on the 3 bottom and I will change the name, and I will just type YouTube Studio. And then you're gonna press add to home screen, and then you're gonna click on the photo and choose the photo, and also you can adjust it. And then I will press add, and then it's done. And now if you go back to your home screen, it's gonna show you custom icons. As you guys can see, I do for my Instagram. I decided to choose the application that I use the most. I am thinking now to have this kind of picture because I think it is pretty nice actually. As you guys can see, I also have the image of email, Facebook, and I will show you guys how I find those icons because I think this is very helpful applications. You are going to the icon8.com, and then you are going to find the icons that you want, the application that you want. For example, you want to get the Facebook icon. As you guys can see, there are so many different style of icons. So when you got the picture that you like, you just click for it or the bottom and then add to photo. And that's it, and it's gonna add to your photo. So I will show you what I did it. I will go to shortcut, add action, and go for opens apps, and then I will choose the Facebook applications, and then go for 3 bottom, and then I will change to Facebook, and then you go for add to home screens, and then you have to name it again one more time, and then I will choose the photo, and then where is that? Boom! It's already on there already. Even though it's not matching with the background, but you get an idea how I do it. And if you don't like it, you can delete it and you can create again. And if you don't want to have the applications on your home screens, you can remove it to library. And it is gonna be still there, it's not gonna be gone, but it's just not in your home screen and it's gonna be very clean. And yeah, here's how I customized my iPhone iOS 14. I think this is very cool feature and everything. I hope this is gonna help. I hope this is gonna give you some ideas, some inspirations. If you like this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!